Hey guys, it's Corey. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the Boomba bypass valve on my 2020 Subaru WRX Limited. So for this install, you'll need panel popper to pop off the panel on the bottom, or the clips on the bottom, a pair of pliers for the clamps, flathead, and then a 12mm, 8mm, and 10mm socket, and then a ratchet for it. Then you'll need a jack and jack stands or lift if you have it. We're going to be doing it today on the jack stand. Alright, so the easiest way to show you what to remove on the bottom tray cover, the little plastic shield. So you've got 9 regular sized clips. Then you have 4 smaller clips that I found are just a little bit easier to get out with just a flathead. And then you've got 2 12mm bolts. The 12mm bolts are going to be right here on either side. And then you'll have 4 clips up front, right here, 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 and here. Then you'll have 2 on the passenger side, and then 1 on the driver's side, because you'll have the excess area for the exhaust. Alright, for the splash shield on the bottom, the metal portion, you're just going to take off the 4 12mm bolts at each corner. The Boomba video shows them taking off the 4 center bolts with a 21mm, but they have a nut on the other end, so it's just easier to just take off the 4 on the outside. Okay, so this is going to be hard to see, but I removed the vacuum line from right here. And then on their video it says to remove this one right here, but the clip is different from the one that they have in the video. So I realized that there was just enough room for you to be able to pop off the inlet without taking that off. And then you take off the vacuum line right here. And then that's going to be a part of your stock bypass valve. Then you take off the 2 10mm bolts off of the inlet itself, and then when you pull down from the stock blow-off bypass valve, you'll have this free and you can move it around. There's that little turbo, and then you undo the hose clamp on your charge pipe and take out the bypass valve. Alright, so on the left side is the Boomba bypass valve, and on the right is the stock one. So this one's plastic, and if you blow on this hole, then you'll get air through it. If you blow through this hole, then you won't. But it's supposed to be able to hold a lot more PSI, and it's supposed to improve your horsepower. I don't know if it will or not, but we'll see. Main thing I'm looking for is that flutter sound. Also included with the Boomba bypass valve is a vacuum line extension, and that's just because where the new item is placed, or the new bypass valve is placed, doesn't have enough vacuum line to reach, so they give you a little bit of an extension. Alright, so let's get this in here. So once you finish putting in the Boomba bypass valve, then you put everything back together in reverse order of the way we took it off, and then take it for a test drive. So I'm going to drive around for a few days and test it out and see what I think. And then I'm also going to try to get some audio of the engine bay to see if there's any flutter or anything like that. Haven't started it yet, so we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted.